Welcome back. If you go back to ChatGPT and you go to the settings area and you go to personalization, what you'll notice is that there is another element here called custom instructions, which you can toggle on and off. If you click on the toggle on and off button, you're going to see the Customize ChatGPT area. And one of the changes with the customization button is that these customizations will no longer appear if you go back in time to look at a previous conversation. After the recording of this video, the last instructions for the ChatGPT custom instructions may be slightly outdated, as they are stating as of 9 months ago. That means that going back in time to find previous custom instructions that you may have set for specific conversations may be difficult, and it's likely that what has taken its place is that your memory is going to be updated for specifics about how you want to interact with ChatGPT, and that your memory will apply to your entire account. When you add in custom instructions, it's good to assume that this will apply to your current conversation, and that when you toggle it off, it will no longer be an application, and that you won't be able to go back in time to see those custom instructions in previous ChatGPT conversations. In previous iterations of ChatGPT, you would be able to go back to the top of your conversation to find the custom instructions that apply to that conversation. If you intend to go back and work inside of that conversation, you'll be applying new custom instructions to the input here in this area. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.